And the opposition PNP continues to criticize the government for how the Moroccan fertilizer was distributed. A report from the Auditor General pointed out there was no proof that over 11,000 bags of fertilizer valued at $15 million were distributed to farmers. The Rural Agricultural Development Authority, RADA, has since indicated that information is now available on the distribution. Opposition spokesman on agriculture, Dr. Dayton Campbell, stated that after making the request, he got 50 bags of the fertilizer for farmers of eastern Westmoreland.
Unbeknown to me, when he gave me the 50 bags of fertilizer, I did not realize that is 72,000 bags of fertilizer. Over the period of time, 72,000 bags of fertilizer, and he gave 50 to the people of eastern Westmoreland. Then today, I read in the paper and I see that somebody within the ministry was selling the free fertilizer what we get to give to poor people as a time come now to get rid of this wicked and uncaring government.
Between September 2019 to July 2023, Morocco donated roughly 72,000 bags of fertilizer to Jamaica, valued at roughly $349.4 million. The report also pointed to allegations that some of the fertilizer were being sold at a private farm store in St. Catherine.
Move the person out of the position that the person was in, which means that they had knowledge of it. I think that individual and the Minister of Agriculture needs to leave the ministry because they are oppressing the poor people of this country.
In the meantime, the opposition PNP is promising to use technology to minimize the number of fisherfolk being lost at sea if it forms the next government. Dr. Dayton Campbell was speaking at a recent divisional meeting in White House, Westmoreland.
By watch, we are going to ensure that the fisher folks get some form of device that we can locate them at sea with tired fears and people at sea and them lost and we can't find them.